The government budget is a statement of estimate of the government receipt and expenditure for the coming financial year अप्रैल 1 से मार्च 31 तक on which state annual budget of the central government presented in India first day of the February. Budget is a statement of estimate receipt and expenditure of the government in respect of every financial year. The railway budget is a part of central budget. The first time railway budget and the general budget separately हुआ 1923 में. Budget document classify total expenditure into plan and non-plan expenditure. In which year was the first paperless budget presented in the parliament 2021 में. 1 अप्रैल to 31 March is the correct financial year of the India, a situation in which government may spend an amount equal to revenue it collects a balanced budget. Budget deficit, the excess of the government expenditure over revenue. A situation where the expenditure of the government exceeds its revenue is called budget deficit. Collection of all bundle of the consumer buy with her income at the prevailing market price is called the budget set. A budget document that relates to assets and liability in the capital account of the government is referred as capital budget. Surplus budget is recommended during depression. Example of revenue received in the government budget divided received from state-owned enterprise. In the estimate budget deficit, the official approach in India is to exclude drawing down of the cash balance. In January 2019, the Union of Finance started Now Your Budget Twitter handle. Example of revenue expenditure in the government budget: payment of salary to government employees. LRM announced in 1992 to 1993, in which budget was disinvestment fund and asset management company set up 2003 से 2004. False statement in the context of government budget क्या है? Fees and fines collect is an example of capital receipt. Fiscal year क्या है? A year that represents the financial reporting period for the government. On one fiscal year cover how many quarter of a year? 4. Fiscal policy is formulated by the finance minister India. Fiscal policy is based on the economic theory given by which economist John Mayer Keynes. However, fiscal policy and Federal Reserve similar. They both try to promote economic stability. A fiscal deficit occurs when a government total expenditure return exceeds the revenue that it generates, excluding money from the borrowing. Fiscal deficit is an indication of the total borrowing needed by the government, which one is not the main objective of fiscal policy in India to increase liability in the economy. When the fiscal deficit is high, what happens to the price? There is no direct impact on the price. When the government is lowering tax and rising government spending, which kind of fiscal policy is it? Expansionary fiscal policy. The difference between revenue received plus non-debt capital received and total expenditure is called the fiscal deficit. What, which measure is an estimate of the total borrowing by the government? Fiscal deficit. Which deficit indicate the borrowing requirement of the government? Fiscal deficit. What form the largest share of deficit in the budget of India? Fiscal deficit. The principle of maximum social advantage is the basic principle of fiscal deficit. Neutral, expansionary and contractory strategy are related to which policy of the government? Fiscal policy. Fiscal policy use of the government spending and tax policies to the influence economic condition. Which of the following policy has revenue and expenditure aspect? Fiscal policy. Which policy is generally revealed by the annual financial year? Fiscal policy. Difference between gross financial deficit and net interest liability is now at gross primary deficit. What is changed in fiscal deficit if both primary deficit and interest payment are double increased by the 100%. Fiscal policy help the government of a country to control the flow of tax revenue. True क्या है? Fiscal deficit in finance from the borrowing. If the value of gross fiscal deficit will be more than the net interest liability, the value of gross primary deficit will be positive. Fiscal policy achieve the macroeconomic goal by which instrument taxes. Fiscal policy let less interest payment is primary deficit not an objective. Fiscal policy क्या है? Regulation of international trade not a measure of government deficit. क्या है? Revenue expenditure. फिस्कल डेफिसिट निकालने का फॉर्मूला नॉट ट्रू अबाउट द फिस्कल डेफिसिट डील विद सप्लाई ऑफ द मनी इन इकोनॉमी एंड रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट. फिस्कल करेक्ट है फिस्कल डेफिसिट के बारे में. ग्रॉस फिस्कल डेफिसिट नेट borrowing at home, net borrowing at home, borrowing from RBI, borrowing from the abroad. Which of the following is not main objective of the fiscal policy in India? Stability in the foreign exchange market. Not an objective of major primary deficit of the government. Do not focus on the present fiscal imbalance. Total expenditure minus total receipt other than borrowing. The growth of revenue deficit as percent of fiscal deficit may not indicate an increase in the government revenue. The single largest item of expenditure of the central government India in the recent year is interest payment. In the budget figure of the government of India, interest payment, defense service subsidies, pension, social service are part of non-plan expenditure. If the government revenue expenditure exceeds revenue received, it is called revenue deficit. Who presented the first union budget of independent India? Sharmukham Sethi. 5,000 to 7 lakh for assets opting for new tax regime as per Bill 2023. Among the following which are example of capital receipt, borrowing and the loan recovery? Revenue receipt, tax revenue, non-tax revenue. कैपिटल रिसिप्ट का एग्जाम्पल क्या है? borrowing from World Bank to fund project to save Tiger, 30% stake in PSU to private company. Payment of loan by the government, example of capital expenditure made for creation of physical or physical financial assets of government is known as capital expenditure of the government on health facility, education and fixed asset acquisition is termed as capital expenditure. The sale proceeded of the government bond come under the budget head of capital receipt of the government which create liability reduce financial assets are termed as a capital receipt. Recovery of loan and advance borrowing are an example of capital receipt. Which of the following items is not a part of the non-planned revenue expenditure of the government budget? Central assist for state and union territories in India who is responsible for auditing all receipt and expenditure of union and state government? Controller and Audit General. Consider a capital expense construction of school building. Capital expense construction of school building. Capital receipt disinvestment of public sector bank by the government. Budget division that prepare the union budget of India is a part of Department of Economic Affairs under the Ministry of Finance. Balance budget expenditure equal to revenue budget फ्रेंच से आया है. Not consider revenue receipt. Government borrowing, expansion on the military infrastructure, government final consumption expenditure. Which Which of following example of revenue receipt of government? GST collect by the government, not component of capital expenditure of government. Interest payment, stabilization function of government budget, mainly include intervention to expand and reduce the demand, not component of non-planned revenue. Investing in stock, incorrect with regard to the government budget. It is a statement of receipt and expenditure incurred by the government. Revenue receipt क्या है? It is the excess of government revenue expenditure over revenue received. What is the revenue expenditure? Money spent on day to day गवर्नमेंट ऑपरेशन. कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर क्या? मनी स्पेंट ऑफ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट. फॉलोइंग ए कंपोनेंट कैपिटल क्या है? कैपिटल बजट का नॉन प्लान कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर. रेवेन्यू रिसिप्ट आर द नॉन रिन्यूएबल है, डू नॉट लीड टू क्लेम ऑन द गवर्नमेंट, नॉट क्रिएट एनी corresponding liability for the government. Revenue receipt, capital receipt. Correct match क्या है? Purchase of machinery in railway, capital expenditure. Correct statement regarding budgetary के ऊपर क्या है? दोनों सही हैं. डिफिसिएट है, घाटा है. एक्ट स्टॉक कहता है विच इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ द डेप्ट है. डिफिसिएट एट अ बर्डन ऑन द फ्यूचर जनरेशन. नॉट ट्रू अबाउट द रेवेन्यू रिसिप्ट. They can be claimed from the government under special circumstances, not a part of the revenue budget of the government. Plan capital expenditure. Example of capital expenditure. Example of capital expenditure in the government budget: purchase of military equipment. Government budget give a statement of the receipt and expenditure of the government. Public debt is burdensome if it reduce future growth in the out. What is difference of the revenue expenditure and revenue receipt called? Revenue deficit. The revenue deficit refer to the excess of government revenue expenditure over revenue receipt. Incorrect equation क्या है? revenue receipt is equal to tax revenue, not capital expenditure for the central government का salary and old age pension, not a revenue received by the government sale of the government assist. What is an example of capital receipt in the government budget? Sale of the government bond is an example of non-debt capital receipt in the government budget. Sale of government on land, not a capital expenditure. Subsidy payment. When the tax collection exceeded the required expenditure budget, it is said to be surplus. Which of the following is not included in the capital receipt? Taxes. Which country first introduced zero-based budgeting? US. Choose the among given option. Function of budget is to provide detailed description of income and expenditure of the government. When exports are higher than the import, it is now a situation of trade surplus. True about the transfer payment. Transfer payment are included in the personal income. How many type of revenue received exist in the economy? 2. In public budget, zero-based budgeting was first introduced in USA when the government resort to borrowing only to clear the backlog. If interest payment, it is referred to as a zero primary deficit. In independent India, which year budget was the first budget to be presented paperless budget? 2021 से 22. 10% reservation in the government job and education granted to economy backward among the general categories. It was stated in the union budget and the Ujjwal Yojana free LPG connection scheme would be expanded to 8 crore women as per the union budget 2022. A scheme called PM Development Initiative for it proposed to be क्या प्रपोज है? नॉर्थ ईस्ट 1 class 1 TV अंडर ई विद्या 200 TV चैनल देगा. इन विच ईयर यूनियन बजट एंड रेगुलर बजट ऑफ मार्च 2016. रेलवे बजट एंड यूनियन बजट मर्ज कब हुआ था? 2017 में. आफ्टर बीइंग प्रेजेंटेड सेपरेटली. मर्ज 2016 में हुआ था और सेपरेटली 2017 में. आफ्टर बीइंग प्रेजेंटेड सेपरेटली फॉर 92 में व्हेन द मर्ज हुआ. कब मर्ज हुआ? 2017. 16-17 दे रखा है. ठीक है. फर्स्ट एवर डिजिटल यूनियन बजट ऑफ इंडिया was presented in the year. फर्स्ट एवर, पहली बार यूनियन बजट ऑफ इंडिया प्रिपेयर्ड 2021 में डिजिटल रूप से। सुषमा स्वराज अवार्ड, मनोहर लाल खट्टर। यूनियन बजट के बारे में क्या सही है? वोट ऑन अकाउंट डील ओनली विद एक्सपेंडिचर साइड ऑफ गवर्नमेंट बजट। वोट एंड अकाउंट एंड इंटीरियम बजट आर नॉट सेम। इंटीरियम बजट गिव एन complete financial statement similar to budget. Approximate amount to be mobilized for national highway network expansion as per union budget 20,000। खेलो इंडिया के रुपये के कितने मिल रहे हैं? 3,165 करोड़। How many insurance coverage did the government of India propose to increase on बैंक फिक्स? 1 लाख को 5 लाख। वन 1 रुपये में 15 पैसे। फ्रॉम द 1997 से 1998 बजट द प्रैक्टिस ऑफ शोइंग बजट डिफिसिट वाज बी डिसकंटिन्यूड इन द इंडिया में डिसकंटिन्यूड कर दिया था। 1 फरवरी को हमारा फाइनेंस बजट आ जाता है। 2005 से 2006 गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ब्रिंग द जेंडर सेंसिटिव बना दिया और बजट एलोकेशन इन द स्टेट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम जेंडर सेंसिटिव बनाया। ठीक है, 5 से 6। अब 15 से 6 16 क्या है? फर्स्ट इंडिया फर्स्ट सोवरियन वेल्थ फुल नेम्ड नेशनल इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर। रेलवे बजट मर्ज विद द यूनियन बजट 2017 में। आत्मनिर्भर स्वास्थ्य भारत योजना वॉज अनाउंस इन विच ईयर? 21 से 22। एज announced in the union budget of financial year 2022 income from the virtual digital assets will be taxed 3% in union budget of India 2022 what percentage of tax has been levied on the transfer of digital assets? 30%. Which of the following is an objective of the government budget? GDP growth, reallocation of resource, balanced regional growth. Which of the following is not a objective of the government budget? जीडीपी क्या नॉट एन ऑब्जेक्टिव है। इंक्रीज रीजनल डिस्पैरिटी। अंडर विच फंक्शन ऑफ यूनियन बजट डज द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया बिल्ड रोड एंड हॉस्पिटल एलोकेशन? विच स्टूडेंट गिव द डिटेल ऑफ एस्टिमेट रेवेन्यू एंड एक्सपेंडिचर ऑफ गवर्नमेंट एनुअल फाइनेंशियल ईयर नॉट ए टाइप ऑफ बजट? सर्कल बजट। हु इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर प्रिपरेशन एंड प्रेजेंटेशन यूनियन बजट? डिपार्टमेंट इकोनॉमिक अफेयर्स। नॉट द बजट टाइप नहीं है इकोनॉमिक बजट। escape clause allow the government to breach its financial deficit target by 0.5 point at the time of several steps. 4 as per union budget of 21 by how many regional national institutes of virology will set up? 4 22 aims in proposed to be in Haryana. Which of the this is one of 7 priority adopted in union budget for fiscal year inclusive development? Who presented a union budget in 1970? Indira Gandhi. Not the part of revenue expenditure as per government budget. Infrastructure development expenditure. What is fiscal responsibility and budget management? Fiscal responsibility budget management क्या है? 2003 it is concerned with the reduction in the fiscal deficit of 3% of GDP. Child budget for the first time in March 2022 as part of their annual financial year. Madhya Pradesh यूनियन बजट ऑफ इंडिया फॉर द मैक्सिमम टाइम मोरारजी देसाई। NIP क्या है? नेशनल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर पाइपलाइन है। यूनियन फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया। Government budget associated with the distribution of income redistribution function not be classified as a revenue received in the budget of union budget. यूनियन बजट में कौन सा क्लासीफाई नहीं है? Received from the sale of share in the public sector. Which of this is one of the function of the government budget? Redistribution of income and wealth. Budget document that relate to the revenue received and revenue expenditure of the government for particular financial year. Revenue budget. यूनियन फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर निर्मला सीतारमण पर्वतमाला रोवे इन द हिली एरिया मंथली सैलरी ऑफ प्रेसिडेंट 2018 5 लाख है। एज पर एस्टिमेट ऑफ द यूनियन बजट 1900 हाउ मच इन्वेस्टमेंट इज नीडेड फॉर रेलवे इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर ड्यूरिंग 2018 से 2030? 50 लाख करोड़। Budget figure of the Government of India. Fiscal deficit is sum of budget deficit and government market borrowing and liability when the total expenditure is less than total receipt. Surplus budget in the central government budget annual financial statement estimate receipt and expenditure of the Government of India. Nirmala Sitharaman represented third budget in 2021, in which year case does revenue receipt occur when the government's total revenue is less than expenditure. Youth Amrit PD, youth power. How many pillars do the union budget of 21 से 22 propose? Rest 6 है. Budget line क्या है? What is the name given to the graph that show all the combination to commodity that a consumer can afford at given market price and within the particular income level. Interest on the public debt is a part of transfer payment by the government. Fiscal deficit of for 2011 has been projected at 4.6. यूनियन बजट 2020. When will India host G20 presidency 2022 में? Which of the following correct? duration of फाइनेंशियल ईयर 22 से 23 इन इंडिया 1 अप्रैल से 22 से 31 मार्च 2023 तक. Interest paid by the government on the loans raised is called debt servicing. First to shift to January to December financial year, Madhya Pradesh gross profit means total receipt over total expenditure. 40 billion has been order of Indian import during the last 3 years. Economic Survey, Ministry of the Finance. Who is the principal author of Economic Survey? Chief Economic Advisor. As Economic Survey 2022, what is the total uh, number of telephone subscriber? More than 1.2 billion. Which state is the largest in terms of outstanding portfolio of microfinance loan? Tamil Nadu. According to Economic Survey, registered registered property to in Delhi take 49 days. The Economic Survey is usually presented one day union budget. In which year Economic Survey of India presented as part of union budget for the first time? 1950 से 51. फर्स्ट इकोनॉमिक सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया वॉज 50 से 51. थैलीनॉमिक क्या है? 19 से 20 तक. पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक अकाउंट फॉर अबाउट 70% मार्केट शेयर इन इंडिया बैंकिंग एज पर इकोनॉमिक सर्वे. एज पर इकोनॉमिक सर्वे 2020, हाउ मैनी बैंक ऑफ India are there in list of top global 100? 1. Taxation is a tool of fiscal policy. Non-tax revenue can be increased by improving the working of commercial irrigation project. Source of tax revenue custom है. According to Ricardo, during high deficit situation taxation and borrowing. हाई बहुत ही ज़्यादा घाटा हो रहा है. टैक्सेशन एंड बोरोइंग आर द इक्विवेलेंट मीन ऑफ स्पेंडिंग है. द पॉलिसी डेट डील विथ टैक्स एंड एक्सपेंडिचर ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट इज फिजिकल पॉलिसी. deficit financing is an instrument of fiscal policy. Priority of the government in the fiscal area and its related policy and deviation are mentioned in which part of budget? Fiscal policy strategy. Buoyancy क्या है? Buoyancy increase in tax revenue. Biggest tax paying sector industrial. Profit and dividend accrued from the public sector. Enterprise are a part of non-tax revenue. Tax tax rate on higher income group have been increased, resulting in reducing inequality of income and wealth. Non-tax revenue is a part of revenue receipt for which tax was constitutional status given much later after its introduction in a small way in 1994 to 1995. Tax on the service. Proportional tax would to reduce the autonomous expenditure multiplier because tax reduce the MPC. Tax as a certain as the debt because they constitute the major source of government revenue. The incidence of tax refer to who bear the burden of tax. Progressive tax is a tax system that collects a greater share of the income from those who high income than from those who are lower income. Progressive tax is a tax marginal tax rate higher than average tax rate. Which tax system will help to reduce economic inequality? Progressive tax.